welcome to another vlog. I have been absent for two days, and on Friday, tomorrow is Friday, and I have an Easter egg hunt, and I have to return my homework on Friday, so that's why I'm doing it right now. And it's Holy Thursday today.
Yeah, it's Holy Thursday pero may pasok sila kasi sila ay nasa public school. So, yun. Kahapon...
And it's raining.
And, oo. Walang tigil ng ulan today. Simula kagabi, hindi siya tumitigil. Finish your assignment na. I'm gonna check it.
If yes.
Yeah. Bakit ka absent?
I'm sick.
Anong sakit mo?
Sipon and cough.
And ano pa?
That's it.
No, meron pa isa eh.
The first day when I was sick, wait, Mom, when was the first day I was sick?
Wednesday.
When it was Wednesday, I woke up out the middle of the night. It was 3 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
And
What happened to you at 3 a.m.?
wait, does a.m. mean morning or night?
Morning.
No, it was 3 p.m.
No, it's 3 a.m.
3
It's just
a.m.
dark, but it's the wee hours.
3 a.m. And I go to my mom's bedroom because I was shivering, and then
What are you doing?
I was shivering, and then when I went to my mom's bed, I was in the middle, and then I was shivering, and I was so cold, and then I asked for a blanket, and then I asked for socks, and then I got towels, and then I had high fever, and then they had to put like a towel on me. I mean, like
On your where?
Forehead and my torso and my legs.
What did mommy do to you for the fever to go down?
Wipe me.
And what else did you do before we wiped you? You?
Puke.
And then?
And then
Did you feel better after you puke?
Yeah.
Was your tummy ouchy also?
Yeah.
Okay. But do you feel better now?
Yes.
What do you feel now? Do you still have fever?
No.
What do you have now?
Just cough and sipon.
That's good. Okay. Yun. So, yun na nga ang nangyari sa kanya. Oh, ayan na. Excuse me po.
Excuse me po.
Okay. Ang gawin mo ni assignment mo.
I am.
Okay.
Now I have to do it.
Ayun. So, ayun na nga.
Those things.
Yun. Ayun. Say, ayun.
Ayun.
Ayun na nga.
Wait, can I show them
Say,
the
ayun
vlog?
na nga.
Can you show them?
Okay. Oh, yeah. We're
Wait,
editing the
Wait, I
vlog.
don't. No, like put
We
it
have
in here.
checks.
Put it in here so you could like.
No, it's okay.
No, but like, can I show them?
No na. I want you to finish your homework na. Cause, where's Yaya?
At school.
Yaya is kuya pa rin. Hindi pa rin nababago ang Yaya kahit malaki na siya. Why don't you call your brother kuya?
And oh,
Why not?
yes, I don't want to.
Taray. O, dali na.
I'm trying.
Pag dumating si Yaya, di ka pa tapos, hindi ka magpa-play, ha? Sabi niya kasi, pwede ba daw siya maglaro ng Roblox? Sabi ko, hindi. Hanggat hindi pa tapos yung assignment niya. Okay?
If we have time for a short at my time, we might post a short too.
Shorts. May gusto siyang gawin kong shorts. Ay, okay. Sige, later na. Tapusin lang namin yung assignment niya. And si Yaya susunduin niyo pala. Sasama ka ba? Sasama ka ba?
Yes.
Susunduin daw.
Wait, no, because I don't have to take a shower.
No, kailangan. Hindi daw siya kasi pag hindi siya lalabas, di siya maliligo. Kasi malamig nga.
Well, it is true.
But you have to, because you're going to school tomorrow.
But I don't wanna.
No. Yan. Pero inaano ko na yun. Pinag-shower ko na sila every night talaga. May days talaga na pag sobrang lamig, ang hirap maligo, no? Eh, sabi niya, pag hindi siya lumabas, hindi siya maliligo. May point naman.
And I got some new toys.
Oh, meron siyang new toys. Okay. Oh. Ayun. Oh, tapusin na natin. Si CJ nasa school pa, may practice. Tapos, talent show. How about you? Ba't di ka sumali sa talent show?
I didn't sign up.
Why?
Because I'm not even old enough.
Yes, you are.
No, they said only to 10 years old.
10 years old lang?
And 9 years old.
Oh, talaga ba? Hindi ko alam yan ha. Okay, sige. Tapusin mo na namin assignment niya. See ya! Tagal naman ni Yaya. May taga-bukas pa ng pinto si Sir. Naka-child lock ba? Diba ang lamig? See you, Dad. Mag-gym si Sir.
Mom,
Yes! Come inside first. It's cold. Kenji said you will be hungry when you go back. So he asked Dad to buy Dunkin', even though his donut is not available, but yours is.
Yeah, thanks, Jen. You're welcome. Where's your...
Oh, yeah. The other side. I need to clean this. Oh, we bought that because Ninang's coming.
So, friends, this is the fingerprint kit. Basically, like a work together game. If it's someone's fingerprint. So the kit includes do not cross tape.
So that's
and
the
adhesive
song?
tape, and
Ano ba yan? Wala ka na sa ano.
ink stamp pen, brush, and magnifier glass, and a blower, and a fingerprint log, and a fingerprint pad.
Okay. Yon. So, nung last Sunday, ito yung Palm Sunday namin. Palm Sunday. Palaspas namin. Ito, libre lang to sa simbahan. Kukuha ka lang doon. Yan. Walang design. Hindi ka tulad sa atin na bibili ka sa labas ng simbahan tapos ang daming design ng mga palaspas. Dito kuha ka lang. Tapos wala ding blessing ng palaspas. Hindi ko sure. Kasi hindi ko sure kung dito lang yon or ganun din sa ibang churches dito. Well, sa atin kasi diba binibless pa yung palaspas. Tapos yun. Tapos ibabalik mo to bago mag-Ash Wednesday. Kasi gagawin nyo lang yun, Ash. So yan. Simple lang siya. Pero libre. Kaya, nakakamiss yung nag-observe tayo ng Holy Week sa Pilipinas. No? Tapos ina-explain ko nga sa mga bagets kung anong gagawin. Pero sila? Anong tawag doon? Combative. Ayaw nila. Pero, hindi pwede, diba? Kasi kailangan talaga i-observe natin yan. Today, mag-Station of the Cross kami. Kasi, si Seiji, medyo naabutan niya onte kung paano mag-observe ng Holy Week sa Pilipinas. Pero si Kenji talaga, wala. So, dito kasi, every time na Holy Week, hindi kami nakakapag-bisita iglesia, ganyan. Kasi may work si Joseph and all that. Tsaka, hindi ko alam, parang wala rin dito. Kasi dito, di ba sa atin, hanggang gabi, bukas yung simbahan. Dito may oras lang talaga. So, kailangan mo i-research yung mga simbahan na bukas. Well, may malapit naman sa amin na 24 hours bukas. Hindi ko lang alam kapag Holy Week, 24 hours pa rin silang bukas. So, yun. Ayun lang. So, eto na, Yaya. Favorite ni Seiji yung chocolate sprinkles ng Dunkin'. Pagod ka ba? Napagod ka sa ginawa mo?
What does that mean?
Tama, hindi siya marunong talaga. You eat na. Kaya ito yung favorite ni Seiji, chocolate sprinkles donut.
Can we share?
No! O yan. So yan, kain muna sila.
Food.
Tapos, Magliligpit na ulit.
No, my food.
Sobrang ano ngayon, yung bed weather.
This is my food.
Kasi walang tigil talaga yung ulan. Dumating na yung mga subscription ko sa Amazon. Kahapon yung tissue, tapos ngayon itong mini wipes. Yan. Meron, dati ang binibili ko sa atin, Sanicare. Di ba may mini wipes din sila? Ay, oo nga nung Sanicare. Ang cute din nun, pero tawag dito, ito kasi flashable. Alam ko yung Sanicare, hindi siya flashable. So, ayun na nga. So, ganito siya. Cute, diba? 6 wipes siya sa isang bag. Kailangan ko kasi laging may ganito sa bag dahil nga may, sa mga bagets, sa mga kamay nila pag kumakain, at saka kapag magna-number 2. Kasi sometimes, kapag may nakainan kami na sobrang ma-fatty, automatic yan. Dahil wala na nga kaming gallbladder para ni Joseph. So, mostly, kay Joseph yun. Kasi siya talaga kaya niya strike anywhere. Ako talagang, pag hindi na kaya, as in sobrang hindi na kaya, ipitin and all, wala na akong choice. Medyo nagutom ako, kain tayong cucumber. And, ito. Ganito siya sa loob. Yan. So, mag-snack muna tayo unti. Tapos, nag-Demon Hunter meal na kami eh.
Mom! Remember your card house?
Yes, pero binigay kasi ni Seiji sa friend niya. Kaya, kuha pa kami ng isa pa para lang makita kung ano yung laman ng card. Pero masarap yung ramyun fries nila. Nagustuhan ng mga bagets. Yung shaker fries. Ngayon, gusto ko naman matry yung McFlurry nila. So, hintayin natin si Sir.
A few moments later.
Hey friends, welcome to another vlog.
Nag-welcome na tayo. Let's hold it. Ito yung ramyun shaker fries. You want it all ramyun or you want the regular?
Half.
Oh, let's put the small na lang. Kasi nag-redeem ako ng large sa
I wanna shake.
app.
I wanna shake. I know I'm shaking.
Shake together. Wait,
I'll shake. I'll shake.
5 seconds.
how can you shake it if the flavor is not there yet?
Remember that in
The
the
ramyun.
Philippines, shake fries.
Yeah.
How about chicken?
What?
Do you remember that in the Philippines?
I don't think so.
Ready? I'll shake half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah! Let's see the back first. Let's see the back. Not even mixed. No,
Mix it first, 5 seconds.
I did.
1, 2, up and down. There.
But yeah, I'm the final.
Count normal. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My turn. Well, you already had a turn. We'll have another turn. 3, 4.
You can add some fries if you want.
1, 2. No, that's the final one. I have one.
Okay.
No, I want to have this one is good.
And it comes with 10 pieces nuggets
a single fry.
and the Hunter sauce.
I don't like the honey sauce.
Why?
I don't want to eat it. And of course the lemon sauce.
And the demon sauce.
Okay. Yeah. Take one.
Kanya-kanya kami ng diba? Okay, put it in. I'll show them.
Ayan, nabigyan.
Get the ketchup. So, once you shake it, ganito na yung kakalabasan niya. Shake fries.
No, how did you do that?
It's half and half. I'll try the Hunter sauce. Ay, nag-breathe.
It's not final. First
It's sweet and spicy sauce. The Hunters. Huntrix. Hunters.
I really like it.
And
Ano?
the demon sauce is... It's purple. Why is it purple?
Because demon. Yes, it's for demons.
Mm,
I like demon sauce.
it's like ranch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, can I have the card pack? Open it.
Eat first and then you open it later. Give it to me. Come on, let's eat first, everybody. See you later, guys.
See you later.
Salo ka kain.
Yes, please.
Please stop.
Wait. How does ramyun shake fries taste?
Oh, we should have put in the nuggets too.
Oh, you want to shake the
Let's try the
ramyun?
nuggets too.
Lasa siyang seasoning ng ramyun. Noodle seasoning. That's it na. Oh, okay, finish na kami kumain. Dessert time.
Excuse me.
Eto na si Derpy McFlurry.
And the Huntrix card.
Yan, meron siyang mga popping boba. Ano ba yan, Kenji?
Time to cut this thing open.
Okay.
Wait, baby, mommy. Can I see what's inside? It's just a pack of cards. I want the white part. Surprise is coming. This is your exclusive access.
What did you get?
Look, surprise is coming. This is your exclusive access.
Oh, what's that? What's a VIP surprise call? Hello, friend. Who's this?
Derpy!
When?
See? That's Ruby. Yeah.
It's Rumi.
Let's scan this one.
Did we get the same thing from last time?
I think. Yeah, we did.
What's that?
One-time use expires. It expires 11:59 Eastern time.
Tonight?
Probably.
Okay.
You might want to hurry though.
Okay.
Must be 18 years, a resident of 50 USD DC, US/DC, and opt into rewards of the McD's app. What?
Can I show them the card?
Oh my!
Can I show
The
this?
scan this.
Can I show this?
We gotta get
Ang
those.
sarap nung boba. Popping boba.
Well, I want to show them this.
Yeah, so popping boba.
Let's no.
White only. Alright!
Oh, this is in Google.
That's all for today. May nangingialam ng ano ko, ha?
Secure spot for finale.
Enter code. So, in-scan niya yung VIP access something.
I don't know what happened.
Okay, guys. So, in-scan ni Seiji yung card.
And Derpy!
And the Derpy card. Tapos, nilagay niya yung code.
It's
Yes.
probably like a battle between like.
Yeah, Saja Boy and Huntrix.
Yeah.
So, tapos, pagka-scan niya and lagay ng code, ito yung lumabas. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching! Oh, diba? Oh, nagpapanik ang lahat. Oh. May tornado warning, emergency alert. Oh, ayan.
Oh, you
Yan,
think I'm
kinuha
lying?
nila lahat ng gadget nila. Oh. Oh, diba? Okay.
I'm scared.
Ingat kayo. Wala nga tayong, we don't have earthquake, we don't have si Seiji. Meron kami tornado tsaka snowstorm. Ngayon, tornado warning.